Now the thing is that when we inquire like this, the mind has one more trick up its sleeve. It has one more trick up its sleeve. It says, okay, all of this is about it. But what about you? How did it help you? You see? And this I make it sound exaggerated, but I can't tell you how common it is. Yeah. Because even after, you could have a awakening, or you could have a very sober seeing. You see? But even after that, the question quickly comes, okay, now I had this experience of the unchanging, untouched, self-evident awareness, but what about me? Or what does this mean for me? Am I free now? Because of this. And this is exactly what I mean by the ocean and the coconut. You considered that you are a coconut looking for the ocean. You found that you yourself are the ocean. Because there is no distinction between I and awareness. In fact, here all distinctions dissolve. Everything that is defined by language dissolves here. All terminology dissolves. Even the term awareness or self, all of this dissolves. So you thought you were the coconut looking for the ocean, and you saw that you are the ocean itself. But the allegiance to the coconut is so much, we still go back to this illusory coconut and say, now that I found that I am the ocean, what does it mean for the coconut? Like in the Matrix. You see? In the Matrix, you can have all the fun, the wine is there, the good food is there. You see? But what if on offer was just reality for what it is, naked of any pretense? What do you really want? Is it going to be that once I find that get out of it, what happens to me in the Matrix? You see? Like, will I have a halo? Will I share satsang? You see? You find that you are beyond all there is, much beyond all there is. You see? That is your discovery. But are you still so attached to this coconut that all the benefits of that discovery should come to this? That's why I asked you in satsang. No? Suppose you did 100 years of sadhana and you found that you are all there is. Yeah? But you woke out, that body that started the sadhana and woke out of that sadhana, and the one sitting next to you was the enlightened sage. Would that be a fair deal? Because you found that you're all there is. No, it shouldn't matter which body is showing the symptoms of enlightenment. See? Somewhere we are attached to what should happen for this one. You see? We say that we find that I am the boundless ocean. Ashtavakra said, I am the boundless ocean in which the arcs of the universes, they come and go. You see? So once I found that, what's in it for me? This is our question, you see? Once I find that I am that boundless universe, in which I am that boundless ocean, in which the arcs of the universe, like universes, they come and go as arcs. You see? I am that boundless. You see? So then what does that mean for the wave that I consider myself to be? So somewhere our attachment to one particular body-mind instrument seems to get a hold of us in this way. It could be because all the thoughts are about this, because the centrality of a visual perspective seems to be that. You see? the design of this Leela or play. You see? So this is the thing which often gets us in satsang. The Sri Lanka came to satsang and discovered that Sri Lanka was paper. Now what will Sri Lanka's life be like? This is not it. As you see that you are the boundless ocean. All these universes have come and gone in millions of times. You see, all the cycles of times and space and all of this have happened. And yet we are so deeply connected because of our conditioning. You see, because of our habit. To this one grain of sand. Although we discovered that the whole desert is nothing but an appearance within me, we still say, what does it mean then for that grain of sand? This is where limitedness, individuality, selfishness comes back, even in spirituality. Now that I'm seeing that there is no me, what does it mean for me? Now that I found that I dock my me, what's going to happen to me? So you cannot contain the ocean in this tiny cup. And as you let go of this, let your mind float away and come back as often as it likes and float away again. Once you find that you're the ocean, then you don't have to come back into coconut mode.